All right, everyone, let's talk survival food. If I gave you $1,000 and told you to stock a bunker, what's the first thing you'd buy? I bet 99% of you just thought rice and beans. But what if I told you that relying only on rice and beans is one of the biggest mistakes you could make? There are foods that are way better, last even longer, and could literally save your life in a way rice and beans just can't. I've spent thousands of dollars and countless hours researching to find the absolute best survival foods on the planet. Today I'm going to show you 6 incredible foods that absolutely crush rice and beans when it comes to nutrition, shelf life, and versatility. These are the exact foods that the smartest, most prepared people on Earth are stockpiling right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a shopping list that will make your survival pantry 10 times better. Ready to see what beats rice and beans? Let's do this. Freeze-dried meat is the ultimate protein upgrade for your survival stash. The freeze-drying process removes water, so this meat can last 25 years or more. Just add hot water. Get high-quality, complete protein in minutes. There's huge variety: beef, chicken, pork, even shrimp. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for bug-out bags or small spaces. Unlike beans, freeze-dried meat keeps over 90% of its nutrition for decades. Stock this, and you're not just surviving, you're thriving. It's one of the smartest survival investments you can make. Make room in your pantry for freeze-dried meat, the ultimate upgrade for any prepper. Let's move on to the next game changer. Protein's covered, but you need more than that to stay healthy. Enter dehydrated vegetables. Forget mushy canned veggies. Dehydrated vegetables are the unsung heroes of the prepper's pantry. Rice and beans alone put you at risk for malnutrition. Dehydrated veggies fill in the gaps with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. With the water removed, you can store carrots, onions, peppers, kale, and more for up to 20 years. Add a scoop to any meal for a burst of nutrition and flavor, crucial for your immune system and morale. They're lightweight, compact, and a single can equals pounds of fresh produce. Rehydrate them in minutes for soups, stews, omelets, or grind them into powder for sauces. Unlike canned veggies, they taste closer to fresh and retain more nutrients. Rice and beans are just energy. Dehydrated veggies are the insurance policy for your health. They're easy to store, easy to use, and turn bland meals into something you'll actually want to eat. Don't just stock carbs, stock the building blocks of good health. Dehydrated vegetables are a top-tier survival food. They make your diet varied, nutritious, and flavorful. Protect your health for the long haul. Add them to your pantry and never worry about scurvy or vitamin deficiencies. Next up, a protein source you never thought could last for years. Next up, powdered eggs, your secret weapon for protein and versatility. Fresh eggs disappear fast in emergencies, but powdered eggs last 5 to 10 years, no fridge needed. They're made by spray-drying real eggs, locking in nutrition and shelf life. Eggs are a complete protein packed with vitamins like D, B12, and choline, vital for body and brain. Just mix with water for scrambled eggs, omelets, or frittatas. Add dehydrated veggies for a real meal. But it gets better. Powdered eggs are a baker's best friend. Use them in bread, pancakes, cookies, anything that needs eggs. That means more meal variety and better morale. Compared to rice and beans, powdered eggs open up a whole new world of cooking. They add protein and fats, making meals more satisfying and keeping you full longer. No cracked shells, no refrigeration, and a single can equals dozens of eggs. Lightweight and efficient, they're perfect for bug-out bags or long-term storage. Powdered eggs are a non-negotiable for any serious prepper. Superior protein, shelf stability, and culinary versatility, rice and beans can't compete. They let you cook, bake, and enjoy real meals. not just survive. Add them to your pantry and upgrade your survival game. Now let's talk about a food that's practically indestructible. On to the next essential. Time to go old school with a survival classic, hardtack. Hardtack is legendary for its shelf life. Think 100 years or more. It's just flour, water, and salt, baked until it's rock hard and bone dry. No moisture, no fat, nothing to spoil. This is the ultimate long-term carb. There are pieces from the Civil War that are still technically edible. Rice and beans might last decades, but hardtack is generational food security. It's not gourmet, but it's a blank canvas. Soak it in soup, coffee, or stew to soften it up. Crumble it to thicken meals or fry it for a hearty dish. Unlike rice, it's pre-cooked, just needs softening, not boiling. In a fuel shortage, you can eat it as is or soak it in cold water. It's pure, stable energy that will outlast everything else in your pantry. Making it is cheap and easy. DIY your own deep food security. Hardtack is the bedrock of any serious survival plan. It's the ultimate insurance policy, calories that never quit. When everything else fails, hardtack is still there. Add it to your stockpile for true peace of mind. Now let's look at a food that's literally eternal. You won't believe this next one. Next, the only food that never expires. Pure, raw honey. Archaeologists found honey in Egyptian tombs that's still edible after thousands of years. Honey's secret? It's low moisture, highly acidic, and produces hydrogen peroxide. Bacteria can't survive. It's a fortress of preservation, making it the only food that truly lasts forever. Why stock honey? It's dense in calories and gives you instant energy, perfect for emergencies. But it's more than a sweetener. Honey is a natural medicine. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it great for wound care and soothing sore throats. In a world without modern medicine, honey is a game changer. Use it to sweeten drinks, drizzle on hardtack, or mix into energy bars. It's a pharmacy and a pantry in one jar. Compared to rice and beans, honey is a supplement, not a staple, but it energizes, heals, and preserves. A few jars in your pantry is one of the smartest preps you can make. It never spoils, provides instant energy, and helps fight infection. Honey isn't just food, it's a survival superpower. Don't overlook it in your stockpile. Now, let's upgrade your beans to something even better. Last up, let's talk about lentils, the legume that outperforms beans in every way. Lentils cook in 15-30 minutes, no soaking needed, saving you precious fuel. In a crisis, that's a game changer. Nutritionally, lentils are loaded with protein, fiber, iron, and folate, often more than beans. You get more nutrition per bite, which is crucial when food variety is limited. They're versatile. Make soups, stews, or even sprout them for fresh greens. No fuel required. Dried lentils store for years, are compact, and pack a ton of nutrition into a small space. They're the professional upgrade from beans, better, faster, and more efficient. Save fuel, get superior nutrition, and cook up meals in a fraction of the time. For smart preppers, lentils are the clear winner. They check every box: shelf life, nutrition, and convenience. Don't settle for basic beans. Level up with lentils. They're the champion of the legume world. Add them to your pantry and never look back. That's the final piece of your ultimate survival food list. Let's wrap it up. There you have it, 6 foods that will transform your survival pantry. Freeze-dried meat, dehydrated veggies, powdered eggs, hardtack, honey, and lentils, each one a game changer. This is about building a smarter, more resilient food supply. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your must-have survival food? Drop it in the comments and let's build the ultimate guide together. Remember, it's not just about calories, it's about staying strong, healthy, and sharp. Don't settle for the basics. Invest in variety and quality. That's the difference between barely surviving and actually thriving. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.